Hello students. So next point in odorous material in oxidation process we have NSA-aldehyde. Then this is a organic compound. Its formula is CH3O C6H4CHO. This is its formula. Now in its molecule it has a benzene ring along with formyl and methoxy group. Then we will see appearance wise, it is a colorless liquid and it has a strong aroma odor like sweet, floral and strong aniseed odor. So basically it is a aromatic organic compound whose molecular formula is CH3O C6H4CHO, and in its molecule we have a benzene ring along with the formyl and methoxy group. Appearance wise it is a colorless liquid and it has a strong aroma, sweet, floral and strong aniseed with a strong aniseed odor. Then this is widely used in the perfumery and the flavor industries also. Then in this point, two isomers of 4-NSA-aldehyde are known as ortho-NSA-aldehyde and meta-NSA-aldehyde. Are known as ortho-NSA-aldehyde and meta-NSA-aldehyde. These are less commonly encountered chemicals, but since we have to study about this, we are going to study everything about it. So the two isomers of 4-NSA-aldehyde, which is we called as NSA-aldehyde also its name, you have ortho-NSA-aldehyde and meta-NSA-aldehyde. Now here is the structure of NSA-aldehyde. This is a benzene ring bonds, and this is OCH3. This bond here O attached, and here is this. So this is its structure. Now its IUPAC name 4-methoxy benzaldehyde. Okay. Its IUPAC name is 4-methoxy benzaldehyde. Then it is structurally it is related to vanillin. Structurally it is related to the vanillin. Again it's used in the flavor and fragrance industry also, and it is used as a intermediate. It is used as an intermediate in the synthesis of other compounds used in the pharmaceutical and in the perfumery. This can also be one of its use. Then related ortho-isomer has a scent of licorice. Related ortho-isomer has a scent similar to the licorice. Then a solution of para-NSA-aldehyde in acid and ethanol is useful stain in the chromatography, in thin layer chromatography TLC method, in which you can encounter different chemical compounds on the plate which can give you a different colors and allow the easy detection of the product. So in that way also you can use your NSA-aldehyde. Once again, it is an organic compound. Its molecular formula is CH3OC6H4CHO. Then it is a benzene ring with formyl and methoxy group. Then its appearance is colorless liquid. Then its odor is a strong aroma, sweet floral and strong aniseed odor. Then two isomers of 4-anisaaldehyde. You have ortho and meta-anisaaldehyde. This is its structure, which is quite related structurally it is quite related to the vanillin. Then its IUPAC name is 4-methoxybenzaldehyde. It is used in flavor and fragrance industries. Again, it can be used as an intermediate in the synthesis of in the process related to the pharmaceutical and the perfume industries. In the synthesis of other compounds, we can use it as an intermediate product, and it can have other ortho related compound isomer which we have has a related smell to the scent of the licorice. Then solution of para-anisaaldehyde together with acid and ethanol. It is a useful stain in the TLC method. Different chemical compounds on the plate which can give you different colors and allow the easy distinction of the colors in this process. So this is about your anisaaldehyde.